Hey, YouTube, so Paul Bates here, and Daisy, good morning, day 27. Daisy has figured out how to work me like a clock. She can get a treat out of me, and she does not perform without a treat, I can tell you that right now. All right, so market is closed, cryptos are down. Now that I've been trading cryptos for a while, I've learned that Sundays are a good day to buy cryptos. They usually go down on Sundays. But it's been a really good week for cryptos. I'm going to put together today, which will be tomorrow's video. I'll let you know how much money I've invested in crypto and where I'm at in crypto. Okay, keto. Had a little bit of devil's juice yesterday. Woo! Well, anyway, not too many though. I just had a couple. I drink the Michelob Ultralights. And then we did our typical morning video, and then me and Daisy went on a nice walk. And then we did lots of yard work. So we're cleaning up the yard, we had to trim all the bushes, and we also planted our garden. We added more vegetables. We added some peppers today. You see that right here. And then bad news for Daisy. She went lizard hunting and she actually caught a lizard. I wish I would have got it on camera, but I was just too slow. She got the lizard, and Bev had to go pull it out of her mouth, literally pull it out of her mouth. It was horrible. Anyway. This is our lizard hunter right here. Anyway, after we did that, after we did that, we went and we started a new series last night. It was an interesting series, not too far from the truth, I don't think, what needs to happen. But anyway, it's a Designated Survivor on Netflix. So we watched a bunch of that probably till a little bit later than we probably should have, probably 9, 10 o'clock last night. And anyway, that's a pretty cool little series. I don't watch a lot of TV, but that one was pretty cool. I got to tell you guys too, since the cable television's gone, I haven't missed it at all. I could care less if I ever have cable TV again. It's a big bill that we cut down. So we did a lot of bill cutting during this whole thing, and I think one thing I have noticed, and it's just irritating as shit to me, every single company that we've called to lower rates on something, not one time has it happened correctly. And it just pisses me off. It's just big business, screwing the little guy. You have to call him again, have to get my credit for next month. I've paid my bills. AT&T did it to me, the cable company did it to me. They all did it to me, every single one of them, even after I called them and said, don't do it. It's just irritating as shit. Anyway, tomorrow, Sunday, I will do I'm going to look at my cryptos really closely and see how much money I've been investing in cryptos, a little less than a year, but pretty close to a year. And I actually started investing when they're quite a bit higher than they are now. And now they're really low, and I just keep buying and buying and buying. But I want to see where I'm at, if I'm ahead or behind. I really don't know. I've never even checked it. I just buy them. And I have particular ones that I'm buying, and I have goals set on what I'm buying. Anyway, Paul Bates, Daisy, you guys have a great day. Be good out there. Practice your social distancing. We all will be going back to work here soon, sooner than later, so enjoy your families, and we'll talk to you later. And we'll see if Daisy can catch another lizard today. I think today, Sunday, will be more, I think the yard work is done. But now we're going to get into cleaning out the garage and seeing if there's anything we can do out there. Anyway, Paul Bates, Daisy, love you guys. Peace out. We're all in this together. Bye.